Welcome. If you want to set up Face Unlock on your iPhone 12 Pro Max, at the first you have to move for the settings, and after that we have to scroll down and find Face ID and a passcode. So click here and input your currently logged method. Right now we have to tap here to set up the Face ID. So read the description. Of course we have to keep our face in front of the rear camera. I mean in front of the front camera, and right now just simply click to get started if you are ready, and we have to keep our head like that and move it from the left to the right side in the circle. Do it slowly. Okay, and the first was complete, so go for the second and just do the same. And as you can see, it's finished. So right now we can click done, and after that we can try if it is working. So click here, then tap it second time, and as you can see, device is unlocked, so we can simply swipe to use our device. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!